this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your Google business profile using a video, the easiest way to prove your business is real and boost your credibility on Google. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. Click sign in at the top right and log in with the Gmail account linked to your business. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see all your business details in one place. Now, look for the Get Verified button. This starts your verification process. Google needs to confirm that your business is legitimate, so make sure your address and phone number are accurate. Next, you'll be asked to record a short video. In this video, show 3 key things: your business location, like your storefront or signage, your equipment or workspace, and proof that you manage the business, such as unlocking the door or showing branded materials. Once done, upload the video directly through the verification prompt. Google will review it to confirm your business's authenticity. Your video is private, it's only used for verification and not shown publicly. After approval, your business profile becomes verified, helping customers trust your information on Google search and maps. And that's it. You verified your Google business profile using video in just a few minutes. Keep your profile updated and active to build even more credibility online.